Is the weather widget on your iPhone lock screen showing a blank screen instead of the weather? It can be frustrating, but don't worry. This issue is usually caused by settings or permissions that need adjustment. Here is how to fix it quickly. Solution 1. Check Location Services. Open Settings. Tap Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services. Make sure Location Services is turned on. Scroll down and select Weather. Choose while using the app or always. Solution 2. Offload and restart the weather app. Open Setting. Tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down, find out Weather app. Tap Offload again. Tap Reinstall. Now restart your iPhone. Solution 3. Enable background data or weather app. Open Setting. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Background App Refresh. Tap Background App Refresh again. Make sure to set the cellular data Wi-Fi. Also make sure your Wi-Fi and cellular data is actively working. Solution 4. Reset Network Settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Confirm the reset and check the weather app after your iPhone restarts. Follow these steps to get your weather widget up and running. If you face any issues or have more questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.